Welcome to Rome Tips. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up. All the links mentioned in this review are down in the description below. This video covers my personal experience using Hers. In this comprehensive review of Hers online pharmacy, I'll share my detailed experience using their platform. Find links to all mentioned products in the description below. Let's delve into the features, target audience, and my personal experience with Hers. Hers is an online platform specifically designed for women, providing convenient access to a broad spectrum of healthcare and wellness products. They offer everything from prescription medications for conditions like anxiety, depression, acne, and birth control to over-the-counter products for hair care, skin care, and sexual wellness. Hers is ideal for individuals who prioritize privacy, streamlined processes, and access to licensed healthcare professionals without requiring in-person appointments. The process begins with an online consultation where you'll answer questions regarding your medical history and current symptoms. Licensed medical professionals review your provided information and, if necessary, prescribe the appropriate treatment. A key differentiator for Hers is the speed and efficiency of their service. Most users receive a diagnosis and prescription within a 24-hour timeframe. Medications are then delivered discreetly in packaging that prioritizes your privacy. My personal experience with Hers has been incredibly smooth. The platform itself is user-friendly, and the consultation process was both thorough and straightforward. I particularly valued the detailed explanations provided by the healthcare professionals, and the availability of follow-up care options added an extra layer of reassurance. The quality of the products themselves, ranging from prescription treatments to skincare items, was excellent. One particularly noteworthy aspect of Hers is their commitment to affordability. Many of their medications and treatments are significantly more affordable than traditional pharmacy prices, effectively increasing access to healthcare. Furthermore, their subscription model ensures you never have an interruption in your necessary treatments. Hers is perfectly suited for women who appreciate the convenience of telehealth and desire a single, comprehensive platform for their healthcare and wellness needs. However, it's crucial to remember that this service isn't suitable for emergency medical situations or highly specialized care. Overall, my experience with Hers has been positive. I found it to be a reliable, effective, and convenient option that streamlines the process of accessing quality care. It's a fantastic choice for busy women looking for comprehensive health and wellness support. Be sure to check out the links below to explore their offerings further.